All right, we want to solve for the missing sides here, A and B. So the first thing we need to recognize is that this is a 30, 60, 90 triangle, which has side ratios of 1 to root 3 to 2. So here's my 30-degree angle. The side that's opposite that thing is B. So if I take that and multiply it by root 3, I get the side that's opposite the 60. If I take that and multiply that by 2, I get the side that's opposite the 90, or in other words, the hypotenuse. So I want to take B, and the info that I'm given is related to the hypotenuse. So I multiply B times 2, and that's equal to 2 root 2. Solve for B by dividing by 2, that cancels there. Do that to the other side, and B is just simply equal to root 2. So there's my one answer. And if I want to find A, all I have to do is take that answer for B, so root 2, and multiply it by root 3. And that'll give me the side length of the side that's opposite the 60. So root 2 times root 3, that's just one of your radical properties. Because we're multiplying, we can combine these into one big square root. 2 times 3 under the radical. That's equal to A, so root 6 when we simplify, and there's my other side.